Let's talk about what your tech stack should look like for your startup company. So I'm getting ready to launch something new here. I've been building out my tech stacks. I want to show you how I'm mind mapping this out and what tools I need to run my startup. All right, let's get into it. All right, so here's what we're looking at. So first thing is I've got my main company here. And I've got a couple different ways that we can look at this. Number one, we're going to look at over here is what do I need for the sales side of it? So sales is a huge portion of any business. From here, I've got my email systems going on from a SuperSend, a Zoom, Google Calendar, Pipedrive for my CRM, Prospify for my proposals, Calendly for all my booking of meetings, AppBind, very unique tool, does all my payment processing through there and allows me to set up shared accounts, so I don't have to have as many browsers open. Fathom to take notes. Obviously, I need my Gmail accounts, and I also have Zoho accounts. So this right here that you're seeing in the green here is just my sales portion of our tech stack. All right, let's move on. So again, going to the other side of here, let's go ahead and look at our ops. This is our operations side. So one, we've got GoDaddy is going to be where we get our domains. Zoho Books is what we do our accounting in. Scribe is what we use to set up our processes and be able to train people. Loom, taking quick, just go ahead and have those quick videos. ChatGPT, obvious. Figma, what you're seeing here right now to mind map and lay out processes and approvals. Basecamp is our project management tool. All clients are in there. That's how we do it there. Multi-login, also amazing tool here to allow me to have different browsers for clients, different IP addresses. GA4, Google, got to test our Google Analytics. Notion is great for storing a bunch of content and data, as well as I've got different courses built in there. Upwork, finding people. Integromat or Make now is what is similar to Zapier, and I just realized I have Notion on here twice. Let's get rid of that. So again, clean it up while we're here. So that's our ops side of this equation. All right, next on the list is we get into marketing here, right? So here we've got Canva, we've got short form content, we use CapCut, we use SuperMeme, we use paid ads, Google, Facebook, TikTok, whatever it is, Framer for websites, Beehive for newsletter, Taplio for LinkedIn. We have to think about SEO. I use captions on all my TikToks. Repurpose, phenomenal tool to allow you to create content without watermarks. GetMunch, UpViral, long format content. So again, that's what you're looking at when it comes down to sort of your tech stack for marketing in terms of what you need to get your message out. So let's kind of look at this as a whole, right? If I pull this back a little bit. So yeah, you've got your main company here, again, focusing on what your sales are going to be, what your marketing tools are going to be, and what your app tools are going to be. So again, this is what it takes for me to stand up a startup in terms of pushing our message out, getting traction, sales, making sure everything's working, project management. So again, takes a lot to run these things, but this is how I do it without having to have a huge team of people. I can get a lot done here if I have these types of tools. Hey, so you see that's kind of how my mind works. If that's something that you're thinking about, like you get ready to start your company, or you're getting ready to run a crowdfunding campaign and you really don't have this infrastructure built, reach out to me. This is something I can stand up for you very, very quickly. So again, if you like this content, make sure you follow me over here on the old TikTok. Click on my link here, go into my world, and I'd love to kind of learn about what you're working on and see if we can't find a way to work together.